Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my shower.
Hey Trendy Squad, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, my hair is so dry. This is the end of the almost month it looks like, but nah, it's the week. So I go ahead and start off by rinsing off my hair and using my Shea Moisture Clarifying Shampoo. I love to use this shampoo because it removes all dirt and products out of my hair. It starts with like a fresh start to my shampoo and conditioning routine. So I go ahead and I lather it twice. You actually need a lot of this product, in my opinion, to be able to get everything situated. Then I go in and use my Everpure sulfate-free blonde shampoo. This one is purple. It's pretty cool and it actually smells really good. So I use this one as my second lather of shampoo to go ahead and brighten up my blonde curls. With the purple shampoo, I like to focus from my roots to my ends, and definitely you want to have extra focus on the ends because that's where the blonde is. The shampoo smells really great and it does clean every aspect, and I see that all the color actually brightens. And if you're wondering what the significance of blonde shampoo is, it does help with the brassiness of your color. So that's why I like to use it to brighten it up. Alright, time to restore moisture back into my hair. I use the Carol's Daughter Hair Milk Mask. This one smells so good. It is really soft. This feels like just a super thick conditioner to me. I go ahead and rub it between my hands. Yeah, you see how thick that is. And then I just apply it to my hair starting from the root, and then I just go ahead and apply it everywhere after that. I'll continue to do the lathering process until all of my curls are coated with the mask. 10 minutes, go ahead and leave it in for 10 minutes and you can comb your hair out while you wait. So I go ahead and comb my hair in sections starting from the front, and then I work my way to the back. After you finish detangling your hair, go ahead and leave it in for 10 minutes and then rinse it out and you're all set.